guys, it's the Space Student and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making something that is very interesting. So, I'm going to be making cereal bowl, egg, and cheese breakfast burrito. So the first thing I'm going to do is take one egg. So what I need is one bowl, one tortilla, one egg, salsa, and cheese. So the first thing I'm going to do is crack the egg into the tortilla, and I'm going to throw the egg away and wash my hands. Now the next thing I'm going to do is take a fork and lightly whisk and beat the egg, making sure not to tear the tortilla. So I need to make sure it's blended well. After that is complete, I'm going to season it, of course, with some pepper and some salt. All right, and now I'm going to take it to the microwave. So I'm going to take this egg right here and put it in the microwave. And I'm going to put it for 30 seconds and then another 30 seconds. No, I'm gonna make it 1 minute and I'm gonna wait for 50 seconds. As you can see, the egg is now beautifully cooked. And now I do not need this bowl any longer. I'm gonna put it on the wooden board. And what I'm gonna get for my fridge is some cheese and salsa. I'm gonna take the salt. First, I'm going to take the cheese and open it. It's very hard to open. So I take some cheese and I sprinkle a generous amount right here. And now I'm going to take a couple of spoons of salsa and spread it around a little. Okay, perfect. Now I'm gonna close it up and put it to the side because I no longer need it. And then what I'm gonna do is take a serving plate and put this beautiful item on it. Then I'm going to fold it. I'm gonna fold the bottom up and then I'm gonna fold the sides in. But you know what? I want a little more cheese. So I'm just gonna take some cheese. I'm a huge fan of cheese. So just take a little more cheese, not too much, sprinkle it over the top. Now I'm done. So I'm going to take it, fold the bottom up, and then fold the sides in. I would normally take this and wrap it in tin foil. But since I don't have that with me, I used a toothpick. So I'm just gonna take it and stab it right in the middle, put it right there in the middle, and that holds it together. And there you have it. A beautiful breakfast of microwaved burrito. All right. So now I'm gonna sit down and I'm going to try this. So oh, and by the way, this is Uncle Matt's. I'm not sponsored, but this is Uncle Matt's juice. It's very good. You should try it. Now I'm going to take the thing out, the toothpick out, and I'm going to try this beauty. Oh. This is very good. I like the cheesiness, and I like how the texture of the egg is. It's not too hard or soft. And I like the salsa. That is one of the best parts of it. I like how this all gels in together. And yeah, it is very good. It goes perfect with this juice. It's my favorite. Yeah. And it's a filling breakfast, so only like 1 or 2. And you're good to go for the day. It was the first time that I ever cooked an egg in a microwave, but there's a first time for everything. And it's actually very efficient, because my microwave is a microwave oven. So it works. And so, yeah, this is very good. So guys, thank you so much for watching my very first cooking video on this channel. I'm sure you'll see some more cooking videos like this in the future, for different recipes, of course. But yeah, I have a real passion for cooking and I wanted to share it with you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I will link the recipe below. I found this recipe from The Incredible Egg. It's a website, and it was a great idea because I made this breakfast for my mom and my mom even rated an 11 out of 10. So that was good. That's nice. And yeah, so if you enjoyed the video, leave a like at the bottom, subscribe, turn on notifications, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Space out.